So I don't know if it's me alone, but at the first me ever hear about this game when name Charlie Charlie. Okay, it's the first time I've ever heard about it. Maybe me late, maybe me old and call up. But I don't know. And this article said administrators at the Petersfield Primary and Infant School in Westmoreland are downplaying reports of children acting strangely since they have been introduced to the controversial Charlie Charlie game. We are aware of two incidents and our guidance counselors started addressing this situation immediately. Principal Susan Rattery Hamren told the Weekend Star yesterday. We have since held discussions with the students who are said to be playing the game, those affected, and the school's population in general devotion. But it's not a widespread practice as you have been told. The Charlie Charlie Challenge came to prominence in 2015 and is played using 2 pencils and a sheet of paper. It is a simplified version of the Ouija board. Players across the 2 pencils on the paper and invoke a fable Mexican demon by calling out Charlie Charlie. Can we play Charlie Charlie? Are you there? Many online videos from different countries supposedly show the pencil moving on their own in response to the player's chants. According to one of the parents visited by the Weekend Star on Friday, since her child observed older students playing the game, the child has not only been behaving in a disruptive manner, but has also refused to go to school. The guardian of another student says she will be trying to get her child transferred. But Button Ray Hammond believes that the parent should come and discuss the matter with her team and allow her guidance counselors to speak to the affected students before taking such drastic actions. In a release to the media back in 2015, the Minister of Education indicated that several schools had observed disruptive behavior by a number of students who played the game and as such moved to ban the game. I didn't even know that there was a ban for a Charlie Charlie game in Jamaica, but you guys may know more than me. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about that. Do you think that we believe in too much voodoo and this game is not really actually affecting these kids' behavior and they're just blowing something that's nothing into a big deal, blowing it out of proportion? Or do you think that this game actually causes these children to act in a disruptive manner after they played? Because they said they're chanting to a devil when they played. It's a simplified version of a Ouija board game. And if you know anything about the Ouija board, you know you've seen it in a lot of horror stories or a lot of horror movies. And it's not a good look. So comment and tell me what you guys think. Would you actually take your child out of school if they play that game or observe someone play that game and they started behaving disruptive? Do you guys believe in a voodoo? Do you guys believe in stuff like that? I want my audience to tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on